Welcome back, learners. Today, we're kicking off another exciting journey into the world of fascinating facts.
Welcome to the charming world of ducks, where grace meets whimsy in every waddle and quack. With their vibrant plumage and friendly demeanor, ducks enchant us with their presence in ponds, lakes, and rivers worldwide. But there's more to these waterfowl than meets the eye. From the majestic mallard to the adorable wood duck, each species brings its own unique flair to the avian kingdom. Ducks are not just delightful companions, they also play a crucial role in maintaining aquatic ecosystems by controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds. Join us as we glide through the serene waters of duck paradise, exploring their fascinating behaviors, stunning plumage, and the intricate bond between ducks and their watery habitats. Let's celebrate these beloved birds and the joy they bring to our natural world.